Hi friends, today in this video we are watching the latest wall sticker designs and later we will discuss what is the price for wall stickers. So friends, if you like our videos then please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. So let's begin the video. Wall stickers are easy and affordable way to enhance the look and feel of your house. They offer to the several benefits including wall stickers can instantly transform your room, adding color, style, and personality. And whatever its bold designs and inspirational quotes or nature themed decors, they can be unique look and atmosphere of your house. Unlike traditional wall paints or wallpapers, wall stickers are easy to apply and remove without damaging the walls. This makes them ideal for renters or anyone who like to change their home decor frequently. They can be used in various rooms on the different surfaces from living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and even bathrooms. It's making the versatile decor option. And it's compared to the other home decor upgrades like painting or buying expensive furniture. Wall stickers are relatively cheap, making it possible for refresh your space without large investment. They allow to personalize your space without committing the permanent changes. You can reflect your taste and hobbies or interest through wall art that speak to you. If your walls have small imperfections like cracks or stains, a wall stickers can cover them and stylish. Overall, they are a quick and budget-friendly way to refresh and customizable your home decor. And India wall stickers comes in wide ranges of styles, designs and price points. And here are some common types of wall stickers along with price ranges. The first one is vinyl wall stickers. These are made from high quality vinyl materials. It's often with gloss finish. They are durable and water resistant and easy to clean. The price is the 150 to 1500 rupees depending on the size and design. And 3D wall stickers. These stickers can create three-dimensional effect, giving a more dynamic and impressive feel to a space. They are popular for creating textures like foxa bricks, floral patterns, or abstract designs. The price range is the 300 to 2000 depending on the complexity and size. And removable and feel and stick wall decals. These decals are ideal for temporary use. They can be easily peeled off the relocated without damaging the walls, making them great choice for renters. The price is the 200 rupees to 600 rupees depending on the design and size. And another one is the wall art mural stickers. This large custom mural stickers is future detailed landscapes and cityscapes or other artistic designs. These murals cover significant portion of the wall and they are perfect for creating focal points in a room. The price is the 1000 to 2500 on the depending on the size and complexity and quality of the mural stickers. And kids wall room stickers. The stickers designed for children's rooms with fun characters like animals, superheroes, cartoons, educational themes. The price range is starting at 100 to the 700 on the set of the size. And another one is the inspirational and quote stickers. This typically feature motivational or inspirational preps and that are placed in areas like living rooms, home offices, kids' bedrooms. The price is starting at 100 rupees to 600 rupees depending on the material and size. And another one is the floral pattern stickers. A floral geometric or abstract patterns that added contemporary touch to any room. These are ideal for creating costume and stylish design. The price is starting at 200 to 500 rupees set depending on the design size and material. And another one is the mirror wall stickers. These are reflective wall stickers that mimic the mirrors. It's often used for creating modern look for enhancing the modern and lightening the room. The price is starting 100 rupees to 800 rupees depending on the size and design. And texture stickers, this wooden stone effect. The theme these stickers are mimic the appearance of materials like wood or stone, offering to the more rustic or industrial look. This sticker's price range is starting from 300 rupees to 1500 rupees depending on the material's covering area. And custom wall stickers, a personalized stickers that allow to add your own photo text the design, perfect for creating truly unique look. The price range is starting from 200 rupees to 2500 rupees depending on the customizable size. Online platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, it's available in this kind of wall stickers, and the prices can vary depending on the brands, materials, quality and complexity of the design. So it is good idea to shop around the best deals and based on your budget and needs. So friends, if you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. Thank you for watching this video.